Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well and making profits with crypto. Guys, recently we have seen a new update in Hamster Kombat about minigame. So many people are just ignoring the minigame, but guys, this is an important part of the game and everyone should have to solve this puzzle in the minigame. This will play a major role in airdrop. So in today's video, I will explain the minigame and the importance of the keys in detail. So just keep watching this video till the end to understand everything in detail. And if you find this video helpful and informative, then please like it and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Also press the notification bell icon to stay updated with all the upcoming updates and videos. Well, without any further delay, let's get started. Guys, this puzzle in minigame is becoming a headache now and people are not able to solve it easily and so many users are taking it for granted. However, it is an important part of the game and unfortunately you will have to solve this puzzle to claim your airdrop. You have to collect these keys to claim your airdrop. It is like as per your profit per hour, you will get some treasure box. For each box you will need one key to open it to claim your coins and to get the profit. So it is important for every hamster player. I would advise you to play minigame regularly to collect as many keys as you can. There is one more thing I want to tell you. It is about the launch. Hamster Kombat is going to launch very soon and hopefully within just a few days or let's say weeks you will see the Hamster Kombat token launch. So we don't have to wait too long for the token launch event, but before that I would advise you to keep increasing your profit per hour and keep performing daily tasks, whether it is daily cipher code, daily combo cards or let's say minigame in Hamster Kombat, because these are the things that can ensure how big airdrop you will get and how will you be able to claim your hamster tokens to earn your profit after a long time and putting so many efforts into this. Also don't forget to claim your daily rewards regularly because it doesn't need any task or anything else. All you have to do just simply click on claim your daily rewards. Well guys, I would say every hamster player should keep performing these tasks to claim their airdrop, and I believe you find this video informative. So please like this video and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Also press the notification bell icon to stay updated with all upcoming updates and videos. Thanks for watching.